every time you seem to fix one thing on a Mustang, you end up having another problem. And the joke here on this car was I'd finally get the cooling fixed, and the cooling is running a lot better after I removed the heat cover on the engine. It can get a little hot in town with the AC on, doesn't get hot with the AC off. So one day driving home, car starts overheating, air conditioner doesn't work anymore. So I'm like, oh great. Well, it turns out that I thought it was the module again, which I'll show in the video. The module, and this instructions were for 79 through 86 Mustangs with an electric fan stock. Obviously, if you have a non-stock electric fan, this wouldn't work. So I thought maybe the module had gone bad again, so I replaced the module. It didn't work, and lo and behold, if you look on my plug, there's an exposed wire, and it's the connector's all broken in here. And I moved the wires around, and the fan started working, and the AC comes on. So this module prevents the AC from working if it's not working correctly. So if electric fans are not working, there must be a wiring mechanism that goes back to the pressure sensor for this. So anyways, I ended up buying a Pigtail. Four Seasons makes a kit. Again, it's 79 through 86 Mustangs with a electric fan. Part number 37212. It comes with the pigtails for two different models. So one of the pigtails you won't need. But basically, as I'll show you, this is how to rewire it and remove this pigtail. The wires were all shot, and this was obviously causing me problems here. One of the original owners had tried to tape it up. I should have looked at this sooner and replaced it, but I got lucky. It didn't leave me stranded because without the fans running, the car doesn't will overheat quickly without especially in stop and go traffic. So anyways, I'll show the video of fixing the pigtail for the electric fan module.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.